You can view data from a specific time period, such as the first quarter of the school year, by adjusting the time period on the Session Tally tab. To adjust the time period, sign into your teacher account, then click on a subject category in the navigation sidebar. Next, click the button for a subject area. On the snapshot screen, click the Session Tally tab and adjust the calendar to the desired time period. To adjust the time period for placement test and progress monitoring data, navigate to a subject area. Next, click either the Progress or Placement tab at the top of the page. Click the Time Period link on the far right bottom and select an existing time period or create a new one. All of your reports will now show data only for this time period. Just remember to select a current time period once you are finished so you can see the current growth of your students.